Guys, USB-C cables can look almost identical, but their performance can be very, very different. This is the Silkland Thunderbolt 5 braided cable. It's Intel certified, supports 80 gigabytes of bidirectional data transfer and up to 120 gigabytes of display bandwidth. So if you move large files or connect high-speed devices and want one cable to rule them all, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Silkland 80 gigabytes per second Thunderbolt 5 cable designed for high-speed data display, connections and charging. And I've got to say, it's good. Now, before we get into it, Silkland did send this over for me to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's open up the packaging and see what we've got. Now guys, open up the packaging and we've got some paperwork. Not much to read up on here, but it does give us all of the specs, which is useful. Then guys, we've got the cable itself. And I've got to say, it's substantial, nice and thick, and it's braided too, so no tangling. Now, the connectors are plastic, which I thought they would have perhaps been metal, looking at the rest of the quality of the cable, and like some others that I've tested, but it's nicely made all the same. And what is another nice touch is the hook and loop strap, so you can keep it all coiled up nicely when not in use. Now guys, the top feature here is functionality. You've got Thunderbolt 5 performance, you've got 80 gigabytes per second bidirectional data transfer with up to 120 gigabytes of display bandwidth and 240 watts of power. So you know what, it's no use having a nice powerful power bank if your cable can't even handle the amount of juice that some of these things throw out, and you'll be stuck with lower power handling and basically a lesser experience. Now for the demo, I'm moving a large file between my computer and external storage, which is sort of the job that this cable is kind of made for, right? There's a short video file, just a couple of gig, and a larger one that's a massive 35 gig, but the cable and drive make fairly light work of it. And don't worry guys, it's not limited to Thunderbolt 5 hardware, as I've just shown with this drive. It's going to give you better performance if your device does support Thunderbolt 5, but it's not a prerequisite. And guys, I can use the same cable for charging rather than swapping between separate data and power cables. I can just plug in my phone, or I can plug in other devices like this Insta360 camera. I can just plug that in just like that, charge it up, and all is good. So guys, there you have it. The Silkland Thunderbolt 5 cable feels well made and gives you high-speed data display support and charging in one cable. For large files, fast storage and modern displays, it makes a lot of sense. And at the time of this video guys, you can pick one up for just £19.99, which is pretty insane really. I'll leave the product link and any discounts in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Silkland for sending me this cool cable to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.